Hello, fellow traders. I actually had the time to do the oil's futures, crude oil, and I marked the quarterly, the monthly, the weekly. You can see here the dailies, right? And pretty much we're looking at 71.80, or I think here is 67, right? So the indicators are turning, didn't cross yet. On the hourly level we have started to cross, but I still believe we are not just yet ready for the takeout, so might be a few days up. The next just check the timing. Next one is 30 and the first. I'm gonna post for the private subscribers the monthly and the quarterly, so you can and do the analysis there. So you can see in the future, but remember this one, turning point on the 28th. Next one is 11th, the week, and the next one is the 9th. Good luck out there. Stay fresh.